Hey tubers, welcome back to Freedom Motivator channel on YouTube. You're going to want to stick around today. Got something good to show you today. I'm going to show you how you can make $50 from home starting right today, right from your home. If this is your first time to the channel, or if you're just coming back and you haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there on either side. I'm not sure here how it is, but hit the subscribe button and ding dong that bell so you get notified of every time we post, the next time we post, and so on and so forth. Alrighty, so stick around. You're going to want to see this. I'll be right back here in just a moment. Thanks. Welcome back, tubers, to the Freedom Motivator channel here. Like I said earlier, I got something good for you here. I'm going to show you a place where you can make $50 per day or more if you want, and pretty good work, pretty easy work. I'll get right into it right now. So have a look here on the screen. The place where you can do this is called Testing Time. It's a place where it's a company where they have other companies that that want to test their products, and they use people like you and me to test those products with. And you know, it could be, you know, software products, hardware products like tablets, phones, maybe any kind of high-tech products, I suppose. But they're recruiting people right now to do this with, and it's you get paid $50 per focus group or per study, and the study usually lasts around 30 to 90 minutes, depending on the company that you're helping to test their software or equipment or whatever. But anyways, right here, it says they're recruiting test users, and they've got a growing pool here, it says, of about 150,000 individuals right now. So I suppose it could be a whole lot more than that. So it's probably not too late to get involved in this thing at this point, I think. You can, up here it says become a test user, and if we click on that, you can see what you'll be doing here is you'll be testing products at home through Skype with their customer, and you can earn up to $50. Now that's showing euros there, but it's probably $50 per hour or close to it. I think the euro is like $1.15 more than the US dollar. So even if it's what, 48.50 or whatever, it's $50 an hour, or per hour, or per session. And you can get up to 3 or 4 of those a week. You can make a couple $100 in a week just doing this right from home. And you can impact the products of tomorrow with your opinion and your ideas. And you get to test the future products, it says here, and so on and so forth. And they're guaranteed to give you a variety of different things to test from their customers. Now, some of their customers that they do are right here. Some of these companies right here, Trivago, I've heard of. Some of these I haven't even heard of myself. But yeah, this is just some of them here. I'm sure they have more than this. But yeah, it's a pretty good thing you get involved with. You just sign up with them, and they give you a minimum of what you need in terms of computer. You need a hardwire connection. You need to have Skype. You need to be available for them, and basically they want you to be available whenever they select you for a job, so that you're there to meet the customer. I mean, You're not an employee per se with them. I think this is an independent contractor kind of a job. So, but they do want you to be reliable with them, which is the expected. Some of the frequently asked questions here of people that are applying to be testers with them. It says, what do I need to become a paid tester with testing time? It says all you need to be is a reliable, always appear at the right time or at the customer's office. And I don't know how, I suppose if it's close to where you live, they may have you go into an office or something, but most of it's going to be done at home through your computer on Skype. So, how can you participate in a test session? First you got to sign up, of course, and then when you meet the customer's testing needs, they'll invite you by email, and jobs are awarded on a first come, first served basis. So you may need to be quick to accept. So in other words, when they email you, they'll contact you through email, and they email you. You need to be quick to get in on that, because other people will ahead of you, and it could take you out of the job if you're not fast enough to respond to their inquiry or their request for you to be a tester. And here, what do you need to participate? You need to have Skype installed on a laptop or PC. Can't use any tablets or smartphones. You'll also need a reliable internet connection. Like I was telling you, a hardwired connection is better than a wireless connection. It's more stable, so you have that. But you could use a wireless connection, I suppose. They wouldn't know. And a webcam, and you need to share your contact information with them, of course, too. And it says here, what am I supposed to do in a test? You just show up according to the agreed date and time and a physical place if needed, or on Skype. So a moderator will guide you through the test. It's important you just act and respond normally during the test, and remember to think out loud during the test. They want your opinions. They want your opinions and thoughts on their software or product that they have, when you're talking with them and stuff. And how often did you get invited? We invite you 1 or 2 times each week to test new products, apps, and websites. An invitation may also contain a few extra questions to make sure you match the testing needs. And if you get picked for the test, you'll receive a final confirmation from us. I would think that if you're good at this, you get good at this, you probably get picked more often than other people that aren't as good with this. So if you can get pretty good at this, you'll probably have more opportunities to test these products and softwares and so on and so forth with their customers. So yeah, that's a good thing there. And it says yes, the customer also will often record the entire session, but the session in your profile will remain confidential and never be shared with the public, which is a good thing. Here, I told you a little bit earlier that the test session lasts roughly, here, let me get this out of the way here so you can see that. The test session usually lasts about 30 to 90 minutes here, it says, depending on the customer's order. And remember, the project is being tested, not you. This is one test you can never fail. So they just want your opinions. They want your ideas and your opinions on these products. And how much money do you make? Of course, well, up to 50 euros or about 50 bucks per test, depending on the length of the session. And you'll be paid 5 to 10 days after the session. And it'll go directly to your bank or PayPal, however you set that up. So there you have it. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. It's a pretty neat place, a pretty good place where you can make some fast money. If you need to make some quick money, you should become a tester with testing time. And let us know how you like it. If you do, come back and post on the channel how well you like the job, and if you've done it and what your experiences are. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. So get some enjoyment out of that. Check into it and let us know how you do if you decide to do it. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Be sure you come back. Make sure you click the subscribe button down there and the bell so you get notified. Also, check out my links down there below too to my #1 recommended business. Just if you want to know about that, just click on the link down there. It says mentorwithkev.com, and that'll take you to my #1 recommended business. Also, you see my other links down there to get in touch with me too. All right. So just wanted to tell you, thanks for coming back today. Check into this. Let us know what you think if you do, and we'll see you next time. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye now.